Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to play PUBG Mobile on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to download and run PUBG Mobile using Game Loop, the official emulator. And yes, this method works perfectly in 2025. So grab your mouse and let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head to the official Game Loop website. You can do this by simply typing Game Loop into Google. Once you're on the site, hit that download button to start downloading the installer. Once your download finishes, open the installer file, and if a pop-up appears asking for permission to make changes to your device, just click Yes. The Game Loop setup window will show up, click Install, and Game Loop will begin installing. It might take a few minutes depending on your system speed, so just sit tight. When Game Loop is done installing, hit the Start button. You'll be greeted by a slick interface that looks like a mini app store. Head up to the search bar, type in PUBG Mobile, and press Enter. You should see the game pop up. Click on it, then press Install to start downloading the game. Now, PUBG Mobile is a pretty big file, so the download might take a while depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, GameLoop will automatically install the game, and after that, you'll see a play button. Click it to launch PUBG Mobile on your PC. When you launch the game for the first time, you'll need to either log into your existing PUBG account or create a new one. Follow the prompts, and once you're in, you'll land on the main menu. And here you can tweak your settings, set up your controls, and jump into your first match. And that's it.